Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 22 years old. I am learning English. I am not perfect. My English is not very good, but I am learning. I want to speak English. I want to understand English. I want to live my life in English. But sometimes people laugh at me. This is my story. This is my English journey. Why I learn English. I learn English every day. I learn English because English is everywhere. English is on the internet. English is in movies. English is in songs. English is in books. I want to understand the world. I want to speak with people from other countries. I want to travel. I want to work. I want to grow. English is important to me, but learning English is not easy. My English level. My English level is beginner. I know simple words. I know simple sentences. I can say, "Hello, my name is Sarah. I am learning English. I like English." But sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I say the wrong word. Sometimes my grammar is not correct. When I speak English, I feel nervous. My heart beats fast. My hands feel cold. I am afraid to speak. People laugh at me. One day, I speak English in public. I try my best. I speak slowly. I choose simple words. But people look at me. Some people smile. Some people whisper. Then I hear it. They laugh. People laugh at me. They laugh at my pronunciation. They laugh at my mistakes. They laugh at my accent. I feel my face get hot. I feel embarrassed. I feel small. I want to stop speaking. I want to disappear. How I feel. When people laugh at me, I feel sad. I feel ashamed. I feel angry. I feel weak. I think, why am I learning English? Why am I trying? Why am I different? I want to cry, but I don't cry. I go home. I sit alone. I think about my English. My thoughts. At home, I think a lot. I ask myself questions. Am I stupid? Am I too old to learn? Is my English bad forever? I feel afraid. But then I think again. I remember something important. Everyone makes mistakes. Children make mistakes. Adults make mistakes. Teachers make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. When I speak my first language, I made mistakes too. When I was a child, I learned slowly. English is not my first language. English is new to me. Mistakes are part of learning. Some people laugh, but not all people are bad. Some people laugh because they do not understand. Some people laugh because they are rude. Some people laugh because they are insecure. Their laughter is not my problem. My learning is my journey. I make a choice. I choose to continue learning English. Even if people laugh, even if I feel afraid, even if it is hard, I do not stop. I open my English book. I write new words. I listen to English audio. I repeat sentences. I practice every day. Every day, I practice English. In the morning, I read simple sentences. In the afternoon, I watch English videos. In the evening, I listen to slow English. I speak alone. I speak in front of the mirror. I speak to myself. I say, I am learning English. I am not afraid. I am improving. My progress is slow, but slow is okay. I learn one word a day. I learn one sentence a day. Small steps are still steps. Every day I know a little more. Every day I understand a little better. Slow progress is real progress. One day I speak English again. I feel nervous, but I try. This time, someone listens. They do not laugh. They wait. They understand. I feel happy. Not everyone laughs. Slowly, I feel stronger. I speak more. I worry less. I know my English is not perfect, but I speak anyway. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about trying again. If you are learning English, listen to me. You are not alone. People may laugh at you. People may not understand you. But your voice matters. Your effort matters. Do not stop. Simple English practice. Read aloud. People laugh at me. I feel sad. I keep learning. I do not give up. Repeat slowly. I am learning English. Mistakes are okay. I am brave. Questions for you. Answer slowly. Are you learning English? Do people laugh at you? How do you feel? Do you continue learning? Your answers are important. Positive sentences. Say these sentences every day. I am learning English. I am proud of myself. I learn from my mistakes. I am getting better. People laugh at me, but I keep learning. People laugh at me, but I grow stronger. People laugh at me, but I believe in myself. This is my English journey. It is not easy. It is not perfect, but it is real. I am Sarah. I am a learner. I am brave. And I will never stop learning English.